it's Fortune Frankly, and welcome to Fortune Frankly Fridays, where we do DIY home decor and more. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because we are doing an empty house tour. As some of you know, I recently bought a home and moved to Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm just going to be sharing with you how my house looked when I first moved in. A couple of things I want to note before we start. One is that I didn't get to choose any features of this home. And this is a newly constructed home, so I kind of missed that fun part of it, but everything turned out pretty well. Two is that this is a single family home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with an attached garage and a basement. And three is that I really do want to recognize that there is a housing issue in the United States and in other countries. And areas that are zoned for single family homes like this one, I know play into the fact that we are unable and unwilling to house everyone. One of the most common ways to build wealth and pass that down for generations in this country and so many other countries is through real estate and owning a home as an asset. I don't think that should be the only way, but that is really the best way in the system that we have now. But hopefully we can work towards finding a way to change that. All that being said, I'm really grateful and in a privileged position to be a homeowner, especially in my mid-20s. And I want to thank everyone who supported me either directly or indirectly into becoming a homeowner. With all that being said, let's get started with this empty house tour. So this is the outside, got a lot of brick on this house, got a little lawn. And we're gonna make our way to the front and kind of look at this porch over here. Definitely will be a DIY in the future. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. But we're gonna make our way inside, ring the doorbell, and hopefully someone will open the door for us. Oh my gosh, look, it's my dad. We moved some stuff in already, but I'm gonna put some footage in when that was clear. Immediately to your right when you enter is a dining room area. I'm not gonna be using it as a dining room, but it will look cute. I will show you. Stay tuned, it's coming out. And if you go in a little further, there's this kind of corridor hallway thing. There is like a coat/linen closet, whatever that's called. And thank you to my sister for opening that door. The whole family was in town, helping me move. So shout out to them. I paid them with, lodging. I paid room and board for them. And if you go down a little further, here is the bathroom. It is a powder room, so it's just like the toilet and stuff. Once you go out of there, go past the stairs, there is this great room. It has basically the living room, which we're looking at here, with a fireplace. I'm gonna turn that little fireplace on. It is a gas fireplace, so pretty cute, pretty cute. The logs are fake, but we're gonna deal with that. Still gets hot though. And here are some of my grandparents' ashes so that they can be in the house too. My mom thought it was important to bring dead people into the house, so pretty cool. And this is also like the dining room and the kitchen, so you can see like a long view what that looks like. Right off to the side of the kitchen is an exit to the outside, and there is a deck. It's a pretty nice sized deck. Will be a DIY in the future. I gotta paint this as well, so. And this is like a view into my neighbor's backyard over there. And they have some trees. It looks cute. I guess it could be a view. Going into the kitchen, there is a pantry. Might do a video on organizing my pantry, might not. Let me know if y'all want that. But food storage is great. And off to the side, on the left side of the kitchen, there is this little nook. Not sure what is gonna go there, but we put in our shoes right there for now. And one of these doors leads to the garage. Have my car in here for now. That is not a projector at the top. That is the garage door opener. But my car fits nicely in here. It is a 2-car garage. But I will be turning this into something else, so I already filmed a video for that. And the other door here goes down to the basement. Now, are y'all ready for this scary space? Luckily it's daytime, so y'all don't need to be too scared, but whoever this rain wall is or was, they were here. When you come down immediately in front of you in the stairs, there is the space for the bathroom. That is like the pumps and holes in the floor and stuff to do the plumbing. When you turn to the left, there is basically like a great room, just like one kind of big open space. Planning on doing like a little kitchenette, kitchen area over here, some laundry and stuff. And then there's this little room back here. Might be for storage or something. And here's a better view of that. There is an area for a sub pump, which like pumps the water up and out of the house from this, since it is below ground. Oh, look, we spotted a dad. My dad was really invested in this video, so he was really curious to see how I film my stuff, I guess. So say hi to dad. And here's more of the great room area, room under the stairs over here. Harry Potter. And it has outdoor access, so you can come in through the back to the basement and leave. You can also leave. And this is the area below the deck right here, but the yard is a pretty nice sized yard. You know, I don't have any kids, so I don't know who's gonna be in the yard over here, but maybe I'll set up some chairs, do a little relaxing. We're gonna go back inside and go past the dad who's eating breakfast and go upstairs. First thing you kind of see when you go upstairs is the guest bathroom. There is one sink over here, but like two areas. And once you open this other door in here, there's a lot of doors to get to like the toilet. And I have a little laundry room. I bought my washer and dryer, so that is good to go. Did not come with the house. And to the left of that, there is the guest room. It's a pretty nice size, has 2 windows, and it has a little walk-in closet as well. I keep saying little, it is actually a fairly large closet, so I don't want to minimize that, but here is another guest room, and oh my gosh, we have a guest who's sleeping. That's my brother, and we'll make him disappear and open this door again and see if he's gone. Bam! What happened to the brother? Nobody knows. Nobody's seen him since. I'm just kidding. He's okay. He's okay. So this is the other guest room. And this would be a guest room for me because I live alone. So I don't know if you have kids or something, like, I guess they can be in the guest room because they're a guest. They're a guest. They don't pay bills. And there's a little closet in there as well. In the hallway where these 2 guest rooms are is a little linen closet. And going to the opposite side, there is my room. This is the main bedroom. Pretty large space, has room for like a little seating area too. I don't know why I want to sit in my room like that, but you know. And there is also a big walk-in closet over here. It could be, you know, another guest bedroom if you want. This is literally like probably just about as big as my childhood bedroom, like this closet. So pretty cool to have that. And there is the main bathroom as well. There is a door for the toilet. This is kind of something I found was different in Georgia where I'm at. And I don't know, in Florida, I don't really see this kind of stuff. So it is a water closet, I guess. There's a bathtub. I guess it's cute. I don't like taking baths like that. I feel like it's kind of gross to me. So we'll see. But here's my area is the shower. And there are 2 sinks over here. Already got some little stuff over here. You will see, you will see. It will be a DIY, I promise you. And that's it. That is the house. So, you know, this your slippers. Get your slippers on. Y'all gotta leave. You don't have to go home, but you have to get out of here, okay? All right, welcome back. So I hope all of you chismoses already got your fix and seeing this house. I am already close to finishing 2 room makeovers that I'll be sharing on this channel soon. So look forward to that. And I'm curious to know, what would your dream house decor kind of look like? Would you stick to one particular style, or would you kind of mix and match a couple of styles? Leave them in the comments below. I will be looking at them. If you're feeling lucky, you can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And if you're not feeling lucky, I'm so sorry, but I hope to see you again in the near future. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. And as always, thanks for watching.